We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Hi there! Did you know that with the new iPhone X, you could do the exact same thing as the iPhone 6, 7, and 8? You know what? We're not even going to make a 9 because X just sounds better and we can charge you more money. So with the new iPhone X, you can make calls, send text messages, and surf the web. And even take pictures. But the difference between the iPhone X and the 7 and the 6 and the 5 even and the 8 is that we can charge you 10 times more. So have fun going broke trying to buy a cell phone while we become a $1 trillion company. So make sure you can't pay your rent this month. Make sure you can't put groceries on the table. But make sure you get the new iPhone X. Apple. You every 3 to 6 months when we come out with a new phone.
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
What's up guys, it's BT here and this is a review of the 2018 Apple iPad Pro. Me personally, I held off on picking up an iPad Pro for this new revision and boy did Apple deliver on the new design, but there is some caveats to this otherwise perfect piece of tech which we'll get into later today. Coming in at $899 for the base model of 64 gigabytes of storage, going all the way up to $1,750 for a terabyte of storage on the iPad Pro. You can get these with LTE, but I just like to run a hotspot for my phone to cut down the phone bill, but that's just me. You can do whatever the you want to do. The new design has these squared off edges, which makes it feel like you're holding a 12.9-inch iPhone 5, which people miss dearly. For me, this device is very comfortable to hold with its edges, although if you try to one-hand this device, this thing starts to get a little bit top heavy with the 12.9 version. I would really suggest the 11-inch version for one-handed and things like that. I don't think you need the 12.9. You kind of have to cradle it like a little baby. Apple says this is an edge-to-edge display on their website, but it's not edge-to-edge, more like an edge-to-bezel. But I actually like that it has a bezel so that you don't mistakenly hit the edges and register touches on the edges. At the top, you'll find a magnetic strip which holds the Apple Pen and charges it, which is nice this year. Also changed this year is the addition of a USB-C port. This is greatly appreciated as now you can add hubs which can bring back the headphone jack that they took away from us. How could you, Apple? I use mostly Bluetooth headphones as you guys may know, so taking the headphone jack isn't really an issue for me, but it can be for some pros who want to use this as a music mastering device. I have a new Audio-Technica M50X Bluetooth edition review out on the channel now for you music masters out there. Is that a word? Masterers? We'll go with it. The 2732 by 2048 pixel 264 ppi screen looks gorgeous. It looks like the icons on the screen are just straight popping out at you. I've never really seen a screen that ever really comes close to what Apple puts out. It's vibrant, it's color accurate for you photo editors out there or sketchers. The new 8-core A12X processor is a straight beast. There's no lag anywhere to be found, ladies and gentlemen. Opening multiple applications sees no lag. When I move the slider on the new redesigned Lightroom for iPad, I get instant edits to my photos. There's no lag in between my changes and the photos, which I love. It gets like right on the dot. Gaming on this device is just simply amazing. From the amazing screen to the new A12X, it handles anything that you throw at it with ease. The speakers sound great, they're bassy and clear for media consumption. Now at this point in the review, you may be thinking, this all sounds great. Too great, in fact. There has to be a catch.
Sorry, I'm not sure I understand.
Well, there is, and this is the main point of my findings on the iPad Pro. It's an amazing device top to bottom, but what kills it is Apple's reluctancy to make a dedicated operating system for their tablets. This machine is just too powerful to be running just iOS. It needs like a Mac OS S, sort of like what Microsoft is offering. Give us the choice to make this more like a computer than a tablet, and the iPad Pro would be untouchable. It would pretty much kill off the MacBook Air. Oh wait, That is the point. Apple needs to separate these two devices. With the addition of a smart folio keyboard and an operating system, it would eliminate the need for a MacBook Air. Think about it. If you get a fast device with touch, end of the MacBook Air and possibly some users from the MacBook Pro as well. So I believe Apple is waiting a couple of generations before they combine these two devices, but that would mean the end of one or more lines, which I don't think that they're ready to do quite yet. So until then, we get this iPad Pro with iOS. Yay! It's a great device, don't get me wrong, but sometimes in life, it's the little things that add up and bite you in the Alright guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. Let me know down below if you have any more questions or if you just want to say hi. I'm always here for you. If you need a pat on the back, I'm here for you. Have a great week guys. It's been your boy BT saying peace.